The bus is full today.
Yes, many people are here.
I will check my phone. Oh no, my phone fell.
Quick, pick it up.
I cannot see it.
Look, that man is looking down. Maybe he saw my phone.
I did not take anything.
It is not here. Maybe it moved under the seat. I cannot reach it. Sir, I lost my phone. It fell near our seat.
Stay calm. I will help you.
I still cannot see it. Maybe it slid further. The bus is moving too fast.
Sir, did you see my phone?
No, I did not.
We must keep looking.
Stay calm, children.
I am worried. We will find it. I heard a sound.
It is like a vibration.
Maybe it is your phone.
I see something shining. Reach for it. Be careful. Do not fall.
Do not fall. I see something shiny.
Maybe it is your phone.
Look carefully.
It is only a keychain.
That is not your phone.
Keep searching.
I cannot lose it.
We will find it.
Stay calm, children.
Did you see a phone?
No, I did not. I heard a sound under the seat.
Look, something is shining there. Maybe it is my phone.
Go and check quickly. Let us check the back.
Maybe it is there.
I saw something shining.
I see a light. Reach for it. It is hard to reach.
It is only a mirror.
That is not your phone.
Keep looking, children. I am afraid it is gone.
Do not give up.
We will find it.
I saw something near the driver.
Near the driver?
Let us go and check.
Sir, someone said my phone is near you.
Can you please check?
I will look after I stop the bus.
I feel very worried.
Do not panic. We will find it.
Stay patient, children.
I saw something slide forward.
Maybe it is my phone.
Let us check again.
I see something black. Is it your phone?
Wait until the bus stops.
Now I can help you. Please check near your seat.
We are ready to look.
I see something near my feet.
Is it my phone? Please check carefully.
It is only a wallet. That is not my phone.
We must keep looking. I did not see a phone.
I heard a sound near the middle.
Let us go there. I see something dark.
Reach for it.
Be careful, child. It is only a notebook.
That is not your phone.
Keep searching. Do not give up. I hear a sound again.
It is like a vibration.
It came from under that seat. I see something dark.
Pull it out slowly.
Be careful, child. It is only a glove.
That is not your phone.
Keep searching, children.
I feel very sad.
Do not give up.
We will find it soon. I saw something near the driver's bag. Near the driver's bag?
Let us check there.
Is that my phone?
I see something inside.
Let me check it. I will show you what is inside.
Please, I need my phone. I feel anxious.
It is only my notebook.
That is not my phone. We must keep searching.
I heard a sound near the back again. Why is it so hard to find?
We will not stop.
I will help you search myself.
Thank you, sir. We trust you.
I see something under here.
Please, check carefully. I feel nervous.
I found something black.
Is it my phone? Please let it be.
Here is your phone.
Yes, it is mine.
We found it.
Thank you very much, sir.
You helped us a lot.
I am glad you found it. I will be more careful next time.
Yes, you must be.
That is a good lesson. I feel safe now.
Yes, we can go home.
Be careful next time.
Goodbye, sir.
Thank you again.
Have a safe walk home.
I feel happy now.
Yes, we are free.
Take care, children. I will never drop it again.
Our home is near.
I feel calm now.
We must tell our mother.
Yes, she will listen.
It is important.
We are home.
Yes, we are safe.
Welcome back, children. I see you have your phone.
Yes, but I almost lost it.
It was very hard to find.
I dropped it on the bus.
We searched everywhere.
Tell me everything.
I thought someone took it.
We asked many passengers.
That must have been stressful.
The driver found it.
Yes, he gave it back.
I am glad you were honest and patient.
You must be more careful with your phone.
Yes, I understand.
He learned a lesson today.
A phone is important. You must protect it.
I will protect it.
Yes, he will. I am proud you were honest with the driver.
He helped us because we told the truth.
Yes, honesty is important. Always pay attention when you use it.
I will never drop it again.
He will be careful now.
I love you both. Stay careful.
Thank you, Mother.
We will be careful together.
I feel better now.
Yes, the story is finished. I am glad you are calm.
It was like a mystery game.
Yes, we were detectives. My little detectives, indeed.
The driver was very kind.
He helped us a lot.
You must thank him again next time.
I kept it safe now.
Now? Yes, you learned.
I am proud of you. We are together. That is what matters.
Yes, family is important.
I feel happy now.
This adventure taught you something important.
Yes, I learned.
We both did.
Thank you for listening, Mother.
Yes, thank you.
I am always here for you. She helped me a lot.
He stayed strong too.
You work together. That is wonderful.
Next time, I will tie my phone to my hand.
That would be funny.
Just be careful. No need for ropes. Now rest. The day is over. I feel peaceful.
Me too.
The day is ending now.
I feel safe.
Me too.
Always protect what is important.
I will remember.
Yes, we will. I am grateful for today.
Me too.
Gratitude makes you strong.
I feel tired now.
Yes, it is late.
Time to rest, children. Good night, my children.
Good night, Mother. Sweet dreams.
Today was a big lesson.
Yes, we learned together.
I am proud of you both. I trusted you to help me.
And I trusted you to stay strong.
Trust makes family stronger. The driver was very kind.
He saved the day.
Kindness is always important. Protect what you value and be honest. I will remember always.
Me too.
Good night, my loves.
Good night, my children.